besties, we are all snowed in. So freaking beautiful.
It's snowing where we are too.
There's Cora.
The kids been outside tobogganing.
Besties, it is snowing. Oh my goodness. I'm about to attempt to go down there. I don't have the proper shoes, but we finna see what we can do. I hope I don't fall in the snow. Carrie, might I add, it is very cold out. Very, very, very cold out here today. But it is okay. This is beautiful. Doesn't happen very, very often. So I had to get out here and take advantage of it.
Snow, so.
Y'all supposed to take Chanel out. What is up, y'all? It's me, Tiktoshh, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the video, because why wouldn't you? Hey, besties, I have a habit of keeping these Dollar Tree glasses on when I only need them to read stuff on my phone or mail and things like that. So anyway, I am just getting back from Walmart. Yes, I'm just getting back from Walmart. When I say it is freezing outside, it's so much more cozy inside. It is literally freezing outside. I left my water in the car when I went in Walmart. When I say it is like, I know it has ice in it, but it's like frozen tidbits of ice added to it. Anyway, welcome to the vlog. I just wanted to start this vlog off and let y'all know today I am doing a little bit of laundry. As y'all can see on my bed, I have laundry going, and so I'm about to hang these clothes. I just finished vacuuming my bathroom. I didn't get to show y'all that part, but I did just get finished vacuuming. So I want to stay on top of everything. Like, I don't want to let anything pile up, because with my disability, excuse me, I have a limited amount of time on my feet each time I'm up. So I have to do the things like that require my feet literally standing up while I'm standing up. So I was vacuuming, and I didn't even feel like coming to get my tripod or the phone, to be honest. So I was just like, let me go ahead and finish this part. Then I can come in here and cut the camera on, turn, and start the clothes or whatever. Like these are like my content clothes, some stuff that I got from my daughters. So I be cutting them up and making headbands and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, so here I am, just literally, this is the scarf that I keep forgetting. So when I need to start, like, when I got to Walmart, I had left this in my bathroom on the chair. Because what I do is I grab my clothes and I go into my bathroom and get ready to get dressed and everything. And what did I do that for? I went right in that bathroom and left my scarf. When I say I did have on a hoodie and a sweater, so I thought that was going to do the trick along with my scarf, and still left the scarf. But I'm telling you, besties, when you go outside, depending on where you live and when the weather is really, really cold, you need some gloves on. My fingertips, I'm telling you, they were frozen from the time I left home. I had the heat blasting in the car, everything. But that is how cold it is. I needed on some gloves, no questions asked. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Just getting this laundry hung up so that it doesn't pile up. And a lot of the stuff I'll be getting from my kids. I got this from Cora. It's a hoodie. Yeah, so we have to literally stay on top of, that's the goal for 2025, staying on top of everything. No pile ups, sweep, mop your floor as often as you need to. 2025, we stand on top of it, because I let my disability get the best of me in 2024, and I do not plan on doing that again this time. I do not plan on it. Anything that's like content clothes, I'm not going to put it on a hanger. So yeah, it's no point in putting it on a hanger. So I want to get me, like, I know I have some of my content clothes in those cubbies that I used to have next to my bed that is now in my bathroom. When I say oh so convenient, like super duper duper convenient, super duper convenient. So yeah, that's where I have most of my content clothes, and like t-shirts, gowns, all of that is in my bathroom area. So yeah. Anyway, today, if I didn't mention, is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and after I finish this, I'm going to be editing videos. Well, first I got to get up and go hang them up. I'm going to be editing videos. This is another content type outfit that I'm going to be using. Everything that you see, I got from these girls, that whatever's content, stuff they don't need. Like this was a dress. And did I cut this already? Yes, I did. I cut that up the other day and made me a shirt and a headband. Like they shorts and stuff, they no longer want headbands. Like I'm real big on not purchasing things now. I did purchase this headband from Walmart for $1.97, but most of my headbands are made out of old clothes. Literally. So anyway, y'all, yeah, that's where I'm at with things, and that's how my day is going. And I'm just feeling really, really blessed, really, really thankful, because although the weather is bad, I did not wake up in a lot of pain today. So I am like, literally, I am just feeling so, so amazing. And I'm going to have Harry hang these clothes up. He's going to have a fit. I might just get up and do it myself. I don't even feel like hearing his mouth. Yeah, nope, I don't feel like hearing Harry's mouth. Because once you get Harry started, he just rant and rave, and I don't feel like hearing that today. He don't rant and rave in a bad way either, y'all. He getting older and he getting set in his ways. So I gotta let that man. How is my robe hung up? Hold on. Maybe, oh, I know how I hung it up. And I don't necessarily even have to hang this robe up. I'm gonna get one of them hooks to go behind my bathroom door, and I have 2 robes currently. I want some more robes though. I've never been into pajamas, never, ever, ever in my life. Now I am, and robes and stuff. So I need to get me a couple more robes. They so comfy, they so cozy, convenient for when I'm going in the kitchen, cooking. It's like I said, about to be some really, really cold weather coming really, really, really soon. Y'all know it's that time of the season anyway. So yeah, that is what your girl is doing. Ooh, my back going out, y'all. I'm just trying to get ready for, the upcoming days. You never know, I might have something extra going on where I won't have the time to do this. I'm also trying to get things like more convenient for me. Instead of me stopping having to open up towels, I can just come right through here, grab me a towel, and just like that, easy. Keeping all of my things like content clothes, because as y'all can see over there on my counter, this is where I do my hair at in the morning, all of that. So as long as all my stuff is convenient for me, then I shouldn't have any issues. Like, having a bad back is like the scariest thing ever, I'm telling y'all. Like, I used to still go into the store sometime without a scooter, and I was like, oh no, I can't keep doing this, because I'd be about to literally fall on the ground. Once my back say we done, we're done. I don't care who don't like it. I don't care what nobody think I should be able to do. All of that, I learned my limits. I've had 7 babies, 2 car accidents, have severe sciatica, at risk for osteoporosis, no cartilage in my knees, and I'm obese. So we're not even going to discuss it.